Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the updated 2025 process for registering government land. Understanding this process is crucial if you're looking to acquire state-owned property legally. We'll go over eligibility, necessary documentation, and step-by-step procedures to guide you smoothly. This information reflects the latest policy changes, ensuring you have the most current and accurate details. Prepare to navigate the bureaucracy with confidence and clarity, making your land registration journey straightforward and successful. Eligibility often requires you to be a citizen of the country, usually over 18 years of age, and a resident within the specific jurisdiction for a set period, for example, 2 years. You'll need valid identification like a passport or national ID card, proof of address, and sometimes a declaration of income. Furthermore, a non-encumbrance certificate is vital to ensure you haven't previously received government land. Always check the specific requirements from your local land authority. Once your documents are gathered, the next step is submitting your application. This can often be done conveniently through a government portal or by visiting a land registry office. Be prepared to pay an application fee, which in 2025 is typically around $500. This fee covers processing costs and is usually non-refundable. After submission, your application will undergo an initial review by the Land Department, checking for any missing information or obvious errors before proceeding to detailed verification. Following your application, a crucial phase is the field verification, where government surveyors will physically inspect the land parcel. This ensures it's indeed government property and accurately surveyed according to your application. A public notice period, usually 30 days, will then commence, allowing any third parties to raise legitimate objections. If no valid objections are received and all checks pass, your application will receive final approval, and you'll be issued your official certificate of title, formalizing your ownership. After successfully registering your government land, you become responsible for its upkeep and associated obligations, including regular property tax payments. It's essential to understand the specific land use regulations that apply to your new property. To avoid issues, always ensure all documents are accurate and submitted on time. For any additional questions or clarification, the most reliable resources are your local government land office or their official online portal. Stay informed and manage your new asset responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.